Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Samiksha Shetty and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by using the longer end of your mat. Take your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Take your right toe to the right and left toe to the left. Now squat. Tuck your pelvic floor in, straightening your spine and breathe. Make sure your knees are following the direction of your toes and breathe. Hold here for 30 seconds and inhale, come out, turn your toes in and release. If balancing in that position is tough for you, you could also use a wall for support by placing your palms on the wall and following the same steps. Start by placing your feet hip width apart and slowly go down into a squat position. Push your elbows against your shin and lift your spine up. This is called Malasana or the garland pose, and fondly by Indians known as the Indian loop position. From here we move on to the yogic squat. You inhale, lift your hips off the floor parallel to the ground and hold. Hold for 30 seconds and continue natural breathing. And the next 30 seconds you inhale, lift your hips up, exhale down. Continue a few reps of these for 30 seconds. You can use your hands on the floor for support. If you're having trouble sitting in Malasana, or if your ankles are giving you any trouble, you can use your yoga mat by folding it from the top and rolling it to height that's comfortable for you, and then place your heels onto the rolled mat. From there, you can continue with the reps of inhale up and exhale down. Enjoy the yogic squat. Start by sitting onto your mat with your legs bent and feet hip distance apart. Place your palms forearm distance away from your hip. Roll your shoulder blades back and lengthen the spine. Inhale, thrust your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Exhale, drop your hips down. Inhale, thrust up, push your feet into the ground. Exhale, down. For a tougher variation, you can inhale up, exhale, drop your hips halfway down. Continue by performing 10 repetitions and flowing with your breath. Begin by standing on your mat with your feet together and palms in front of your chest. Inhale, lift the right knee up parallel to the floor, taking all the weight onto the left foot. Exhale, extend the right leg back, bringing your entire body parallel to the floor and balancing on your left leg. Inhale, come back with your knee up. Exhale, warrior 3. Keep a small contraction in your groin and belly pulled in. Engage the entire left leg. For an easier progression, you can inhale, lift the knee up and exhale, extend the leg as much as you can behind by squeezing the glutes. Continue this for 10 repetitions on the right and 10 on the left. Start by placing your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your toes slightly outwards. Place your palms in front of your chest in Namaskara Mudra. Now, bend the right knee, squatting on the right side. Push your hips behind and spine uplifted. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Exhale, turn the left toe to the left. Bend the left knee. Drop your palms down in line with your foot and sink the hip. Stay here for a few breaths if your hips feel tight. Inhale, lift up and straighten your left leg. On your exhale, bend the right knee and squat on the right side. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Exhale, drop down on the left side, sinking the hip. Continue by performing 10 repetitions starting from the right side and 10 repetitions starting from the left side. If this transition seems difficult, you can always start by performing these two individual poses separately and hold them for 30 seconds each. Begin by starting on your knees and with your palms in front of you in tabletop position. Get your knees together and inhale, extend the right leg. On your exhale, crunch your right leg straight to the side. Inhale, extend the right leg. Exhale, crunch, looking towards your feet. Perform this movement for 10 times on the right side, coordinating with your breath. Now transfer the weight onto the right knee and extend the left leg. Exhale, crunch onto the left side and inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch to the left. Inhale, extend. Perform this movement 10 times on the left side. At all times, keep your belly engaged, a small contraction in your groin, and always keep your spine lengthened and neutral.